Hey, girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. So excited as always to get into math. How did yesterday go? You doing okay? Hanging in there? All right, let's play our game, okay? All right, here we go. So I'm gonna put down four cards like I always do, okay? Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. And here's the fourth one. All right, if you need time, you can pause the video. Take a look. Which one should we eliminate? Does not belong. Out! Adios! All right, so check it out, okay? What are you thinking? Any ideas yet? All right, so if you need more time, pause the video, all right? So let's take a vote here. Put up one finger if you think we should get rid of number one. Put up two fingers if you think we should get rid of number two. Put up three fingers if you think we should get rid of number three. Very suspicious looking, don't you think? Put up four fingers if you think we should get rid of number four. All right, I see some fingers. Let's see what we think. All right, right here on card number one, we have 5 and 5. Well, we know that makes 10 because we have 10 fingers and 10 toes, right? But I'm not going to do my feet because that's weird. That's gross. All right, so we have 5 and 5. Okay, so that's 10. So here we have 10. Okay, how about here? Number 2. We have 5 up top and 5 on the bottom, just like with the fingers. So we have 5 and 5 makes 10. The whole 10 frame is filled up, so that has to be 10, right? Has to be 10. Okay, let's look down here. Number 3, we have a 5 and another 5. I'm seeing a pattern, boys and girls. Are you? Another 5, another 5 we know makes 10, right? Should we call that a high 10 because 5 and 5 makes 10? I don't know, something to think about. Okay, boys and girls, card number 4 is looking very suspicious. Let's take a look. So, I don't know, looks like it might have 10. It's got a lot of counters on there. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reds. I hope there are 5 whites. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, there's only 4 whites. So 5 and 4 makes, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we know which one to get rid of. Number 4. You are out. Voted off the island. Okay, so we kind of already went over it, but you'll notice with each of these, right? 5 and 5 makes 10. Okay, 5 and 5, 2 rows of 5, and then 5 and 5 here. All right, awesome job, boys and girls. All right, let's move right along. Yesterday, you were drawing balloons, but the fun part was we got to pop them, right? Pop, pop, pop. Okay, so check your work, right? So here we had 4 balloons and we popped 2 of them, which gives us 2. Okay, here we had 9 balloons. We popped 1 of them and that left us with 8. Interesting. The number before 9 is 8. Something to think about. All right, and we had 3 balloons, took away 2 of them, and we were left with 1. Okay, on the next page, it looked like this. We had 5 balloons. Oops, sorry. We have 5 balloons. If we take away 2, 1, 2, we are left with 1, 2, 3 balloons. Okay, here we have 6. If we take away 3, we are left with 1, 2, 3 balloons. So 6 take away 3 is 3. All right, now here was the one we did together. Did you also see down here that if you draw 3 balloons and cross them all out, you're left with no balloons? 0. Okay, that's called a 0 right here. 0. Nothing, not a zilch. All right, so let's move on to today's exciting word problem. So you should have this out and it should say Thursday word problem on it. Okay, so let's read together. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Cooper I want to use this. Cooper put 10 cookies on a baking sheet. Okay, so remember, you gotta stop and visualize, even close your eyes, and think what's happening. So get a picture. So there's a kid named Cooper. What does he look like? Does he look like my brother? Or does he look like me? If I'm a boy, like what does he look like? Doesn't matter. There's a kid named Cooper. He's put 10 cookies on a baking sheet. Have you ever put cookies on a baking sheet? Or ever seen your dad or your mom do it? It's an exciting moment, right? Because you know what's happening is they're going to go in the oven, they're going to come out, and then you're going to get to eat them. Okay, I digress. So then it says, after they came out of the oven, see, I told you that's what happens. He ate 4 of them. That's pretty good. I don't let my kids eat that many. How many cookies are left? All right, so let's draw. Let's do some circles, okay? So, and if you want to make them look more like, sorry about that, boys and girls. My computer battery was running low. So if you want to make them look more realistic than mine, you go for it. Okay, but I'm just going to draw a circle. Okay, there's a cookie. There's another cookie. And another cookie. And 4. We have he's got what, 10 cookies? All right, so let's draw 10 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some of them are bigger than others, right? That's fine. Okay. All right, now it says after they came out of the oven, this is the moment that it's like they're warm, right? They're warm and they're gooey and they're perfect. Again, I get excited. He ate 4 of them. All right, so let's cross out 4 because he ate 4. I mean, this kid's not messing around. Okay, so Cooper, if you're out there, you're welcome. Okay, you just had 4 cookies. So we're going to cross out 4. So he ate, let's say he ate this one, and he ate this one. That's 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that means that how many are left? Because the question is, how many cookies are left? You tell me. Write down what you think your number sentence should be before I show you. Okay, so do that now. If you make a mistake, use your pencil, we can erase. Okay, do that now. Pause the video if you need more time. All right, so we had, not 6, 10 cookies. He ate, that Cooper, he ate 4 cookies. Okay, ate 4 cookies. How many are left? Well, let's count. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I knew that right away because I knew there was 5 up top and then 1 more, right? Just like we've been doing with our eliminate it. Okay, so 10 cookies, take away 4 that he ate, gives you 6. Okay, so make sure you write that down. Pause the video if you need to catch up. And let's take a look at our practice. Okay, so practice is going to look very similar. So get to this page. It says Thursday practice. All right, if you need time to write this down, just pause the video and get that down. Okay, that's our word problem. All right, so this is going to look similar to what we just did. It says draw circles. I like to think of them as cookies in the 10 frames to help you solve the number sentences. The first one is done with Mr. McAndrew, that's me, in the video. All right, so I've got 7. I'm going to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And take away 3. So I'm going to think of Cooper. Actually, let's make it me, Mr. McAndrew. Sorry, Cooper. Eating 3 cookies. So I'm going to eat 1, 2, 3 cookies. So how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the same as 7, take away 3. Same thing, right? Okay, so you're going to do the same thing with each one of these. So there's 1 on this page, and then there are 3 more on the next page. Not too bad, all right? All right, boys and girls, I am officially calling you subtraction masters because you are subtracting. You did it with the tree. You've been doing it with 10 frames and cubes and balloons. You're rocking it. Very proud, very happy, very excited, as always. Be good to your parents, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right? Bye-bye.